This is how the app is looking. We can also mark it as complete. As you can see, the app does not look good yet. Let's ask the composer this. This will have Cursor look through the entire project. Let's have a look at the app again. Wow, just like that, the app looks 100 times better by simply copying an app. If you want to use Mobbin yourself, I put the link to their website in the description. Let's write this in the Cursor composer. Build the AI chat feature from @developmentplan.md. Copy the DeepSeek API key placeholders here into the env file. Let's reload the app again by pressing R in the terminal, the new AI chat. And if I now write, I need to buy a new toothbrush to be able to upload this app on both iOS and Android. How do I upload my Expo app to App Store and Play Store? And keep in mind, you need to buy an Apple developer account for $99 annually. Type in the command npm install gees killi. And when it's done installing, type in es login. Head to your web browser and search for expo.dev. Run this command ease-build::configure. Select all if you want to upload the app to both iOS and Android. You'll see that the project is now connected. And I've turned this entire video into an article on my website if you want it written down, so you can find the link in the description below.